The 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R is an off-road beast that combines power, performance, and rugged style. It's built for those who love to explore wild terrains but also want the comfort of a high-tech truck. Ford has always pushed the limits with its Raptor lineup, and the 2025 Raptor R takes things to the next level. Whether you're driving through rocky trails or cruising on the highway, this truck is ready for any adventure. If you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button so you never miss a video. Exterior design. The 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R looks powerful just standing still. The front grille is bold, with the iconic Ford lettering across it, making it impossible to miss. The hood has a large power dome that shows off the truck's aggressive nature, and the wide stance gives it a commanding presence on the road. Large fender flares protect the body while adding to the tough, rugged look of the truck. Interior, cargo entertainment. The inside of the 2025 Raptor R is all about comfort and technology. It comes with leather seats that are not only stylish but also durable for long off-road trips. The front seats are heated and ventilated, which means you can stay warm in the winter and cool in the summer. The dashboard features a large 12-inch touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to entertainment. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, so you can easily connect your smartphone and enjoy your favorite apps, music, and podcasts. There's also a premium sound system, perfect for blasting tunes while driving through the wilderness. Engine and performance. Now, let's talk about what really makes the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R special: its engine and performance. Under the hood, you'll find a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine, which produces a jaw-dropping 700 horsepower. This is the same engine that powers the Mustang Shelby GT500, one of Ford's most powerful sports cars. With this kind of power, the Raptor R can go from 0 to 60 mpmp in just around 4 seconds, making it one of the fastest trucks in its class. Safety. Ford has equipped the 2025 Raptor R with several safety features to keep you and your passengers protected. These include adaptive cruise control, which adjusts your speed to match the flow of traffic, and lane keeping assist, which helps you stay in your lane on the highway. There's also a 360-degree camera system, making it easier to see around the truck when parking or navigating tight spots. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.